Now fourth part. If A is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of C, then A is not a subset of C. Then A is not a subset of C. It is true or false? See here, A is not a subset of B, B is not a subset of C, then A is also not. But if these two conditions, we can prove A is a subset of C, so it is false. Prove it with example. See here, let A is equal to set 1, 2, B is equal to set 2, 3, and C I will take 1, 2, 5. Now see here, A is not a subset of B. By seeing this, we can say that all elements of A are not in this, so it is A is not a subset of B. And here also B is not a subset of C, because 3 is not in the C, and B is not a subset of C. But you can say that A12, now we prove it, A is a subset of C. So this was the statement. Now I will take fifth part. If X belongs to A and A is not a subset of B, then X belongs to B. एक ऐसा एलिमेंट लीजिए, A is not a subset of B. X belongs to A is not subset of B, and X belongs to B. अपन प्रूव कर देंगे X not belongs to B, so it is false. Prove it with example. Let A you can take 1, 2, and B you can take 2, 3, 4. Here you can say, if I take element 1 belongs to A, and you can say that A is not subset of B, then you can say that 1 belongs to 1 का B में है? नहीं है, 1 not belongs to B. So here you can say that this is false. इधर belongs कर रहा था X, इधर not belongs to हो रहा है. Now I will take sixth part. If A is a subset of B and X not belongs to B, then X not belongs to B. So we know that it is true, it is a definition of subset. जो A को belong नहीं करेगा वो B को भी नहीं करेगा. It means it is true. We can say that if A is a subset of B, it means X not belongs to B, X not belongs to A. You can say that it means या तो X A को belongs करेगा या and X belongs to B. It is true. This is the definition of subset.